with cosmetic surgeon Dr. Roger Basson from the Basson Center for Plastic Surgery in Orlando, Florida. Welcome to the show.
Witness 5 of the most amazing medical makeovers ever performed. You've lost it throughout the years. Now see how this revolutionary robot can actually restore your hair. All new on The Doctors.
Doctor, give me the news.
It's astonishing medical makeovers, and right now we're talking about a new method for reversing a condition that affects millions and millions of people worldwide: hair loss.
Donor hair follicles are taken from the back of the head and transplanted to the thinning areas. The solution is to randomly extract individual follicular units, small groups of 1 to 4 hairs.
The procedure is very labor intensive. I mean, you have to do thousands of these in a single session.
Enter the ARTAS Robot. It's a sophisticated hair mapping and extraction system. Once the donor area is identified, the robot maps all the follicles and then randomly extracts them with a series of punches.
It's much more precise than human hand. It doesn't tire if you're doing thousands of grafts.
Even with short hair, the random extraction means it's virtually impossible to tell where the donor hairs came from.
And here to help us explain this procedure is Dr. James Harris, a hair restoration surgeon in our procedure room with Dr. Orden. Thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. I appreciate it.
So, talk to us about the ARTAS machine.
So here we have the ARTAS system. It's a robotic system, and what it allows us to do is use its advanced imaging and mapping systems to extract hair follicles. So what I'm going to do now, this represents the head of a patient in the normal position. He's very comfortable in this headrest here. We've numbed up with local anesthetic around the back of the head, so this patient will not feel any pain or discomfort the entire procedure. Now I'm going to tell the robot to use its systems to go ahead and start mapping out the individual hair follicles within this area we call the grid. So it's automatically moving. I'm not touching anything right now, and it's assessing the angles and directions of all the hair follicles in the target region. Now it's already in position. I'm going to tell it to go ahead and start harvesting hair. So this is an example of what the robot does in an actual surgery. Now we're not removing anything right now, but it's based on our direction. It's targeting certain follicles and taking out a certain percentage of hair follicles to leave some behind. It's random, so we're not going to get any weird patterns of extractions. And it's selecting these based on the quality of the hair. We can also tell it we want 3 hair grafts or 2 hair grafts.
I would think this is going to be much quicker than the old-fashioned techniques, isn't it?
When it's going through this process, it's actually doing about 1,000 grafts an hour, which is very, very fast.
That's moving.
That is moving very quickly. It's an amazing technology. I think, you know, the main advantage for the patients are that it's minimally invasive. It doesn't leave that long line scar at the back, so they can wear their hair short if they want to. There's more rapid healing. They can get back to activities much more quickly.
The future of hair transplantation has arrived. The ARTAS Robotic Hair Restoration System. Precise extraction, exact placement. No scalpel, no stitches, no pain. The hair you want, the natural look you deserve. Want more hair? Get more hair.